Hello and welcome. This video is for listening practice only. For the best experience, put on your headphones, close your eyes, and focus on the sounds. This will help you improve your listening skills faster. But if you prefer to listen anytime, anywhere, that's fine too. All methods work. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain is learning unconsciously, and results will come with time. You can start by listening with subtitles, then try without them later. Enjoy the video and keep practicing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to stay updated.
Elena wakes up at 7 a.m. She opens her eyes and looks at the ceiling. The sun shines through the window. She takes a deep breath and stretches her arms. Then, she gets out of bed slowly. She walks to the bathroom. She turns on the tap and washes her face with cold water. The water feels fresh. She looks in the mirror and smiles. Then, she picks up her toothbrush and brushes her teeth carefully. After that, Elena goes to the kitchen. She is hungry. She opens the fridge and takes out some milk. She pours the milk into a glass. Then she makes a cup of coffee. The coffee smells good. She prepares toast with butter and honey. She sits at the table and eats slowly. She enjoys her breakfast. After breakfast, Elena goes to her bedroom. She chooses her clothes for the day. She wears a blue dress and black shoes. Then, she brushes her hair. She looks in the mirror and says, "I am ready." She takes her bag and leaves the house. She locks the door and walks to the bus stop. The weather is nice. The birds sing in the trees. Elena waits for the bus. She sees other people at the bus stop. Some people look at their phones. Some people talk to each other. The bus arrives. Elena gets on the bus and finds a seat by the window. She looks outside. The city is busy. Cars move fast. People walk on the sidewalks. The bus stops at a red light. Elena watches people cross the street. After 20 minutes, Elena arrives at work. She gets off the bus and walks to the office building. She enters the building and says, "Good morning," to the receptionist. Then, she takes the elevator to the third floor. At work, Elena sits at her desk. She turns on her computer. She reads emails and replies to messages. She types on the keyboard. The office is quiet. Everyone is working. At 10 a.m., Elena takes a short break. She goes to the coffee machine and makes another cup of coffee. She talks to her colleague, Anna. They talk about their weekend plans. Elena laughs. She feels happy. After the break, Elena continues her work. She answers phone calls. She writes reports. She attends a short meeting. She listens carefully and takes notes. At 12:30 p.m., it is lunchtime. Elena goes to the cafeteria. She buys a salad and a sandwich. She drinks water. She sits with her friends and talks about work, life, and travel. After lunch, Elena takes a short walk outside. The sun is warm. She sees people sitting on benches, eating lunch, and reading books. She enjoys the fresh air. Then, she goes back to work. The afternoon is busy. Elena has more emails to answer. She finishes an important report. She checks her schedule for the next day. At 5 p.m., work is over. Elena turns off her computer and packs her bag. She says, "Goodbye, everyone," and leaves the office. She walks to the bus stop again. She listens to music while she waits. The bus arrives, and she gets on. She feels a little tired. When she gets home, Elena takes off her shoes and sits on the sofa. She rests for a few minutes. Then she goes to the kitchen. She decides to cook pasta for dinner. She boils the pasta and prepares a sauce with tomatoes and cheese. The food smells delicious. She sits at the table and eats her dinner. She watches TV while she eats. After dinner, she washes the dishes. Then she makes a cup of tea and sits on the sofa again. She feels relaxed. At 9 p.m., Elena reads a book. She loves reading. The book is interesting. She reads for 30 minutes. At 10 p.m., Elena feels sleepy. She goes to the bathroom and brushes her teeth. Then she changes into her pajamas and lies in bed. She turns off the light and closes her eyes. At 10:30 p.m., Elena falls asleep. She dreams about a beautiful place.
Thank you for listening. I hope this video helped you improve your listening skills. Also, let me know in the comments if you want longer listening sessions next time and how long you would like them to be. Your feedback helps me create the best content for you. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.